So this is the engine, the motor, that can fit in the original shape of the Vespa without changing anything of the frame. And this is the support that goes under the seat. This is for the PK, and the battery on the PK goes on the left side because you have more space.
The size of the battery?
It's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah, and this one, the battery support of the special or right clown that goes in the same space of the fuel tank under the seat.
Charging here.
Yeah, no, charging for the USB, USB-C, USB-C. And this is onboard charging.
Okay, this is their own charger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this one, and with an adapter, you can charge without taking out the battery.
The battery is here, like that. You can charge directly to the battery. Like that.
Okay.
The range approximately 160 km, the maximum range, but you are approximately to 100-120 if you drive normal. And here we are also developing the cover for the battery in leather, not natural leather here, just to cover the battery, and you have extra space to put something inside, like a smartphone, wallet, and things. And it's very practical also to extract the second battery, and you can also drive only with one battery, and if you need extra space to bring something with you, you can use that place just to put the netbook or something else, and you leave the battery at home. You have the battery, range and trip, different from the round light, you have the trip. And you can also change from the app the screen, just to have more information. I'm connected to the Vespa. I have the same parameter on my phone, okay? Here you have the display button. Just push and you have develop screen. Here you have the battery information, the state of health, temperature, and also the firmware version of the controller, and you can update via app. You don't have to connect anything, just to have the. You can see maybe we developed the new version, and you can install by yourself.
Go outside! Nice. Yeah! What's it up? This is the motor of a large frame?
Large frame, yes. Large and wide frame.
So it's GS,
Yes,
Sprint, Rally,
yeah,
PX.
And it's developed on the PX, the motor on the PX,
Yeah.
but you can adapt it to all large frame, okay?
Okay.
In that case, we don't have the belt, we have here, because we have more torque and more power, okay? The motor, the
How big of a power?
15 kilowatts.
50 kilowatts.
With around 45 Newton per meter of torque.
Yes.
And inside there is oil just to lubricate every gears and also optimize the heating of the motor, because it's better if you take the motor fresh and not hot, because you can lose a lot of energy if your motor goes up in the temperature. Here you have one battery here okay?
Okay.
And one battery in the other place, okay?
All right. Okay.
Under the seat.
And here.
Here you have the controller.
All right.
Just put it inside, like,
Okay.
to see the space. Okay. The controller. And also here is the DC-DC converter.
Yes,
just
converter.
To,
Okay.
just to recharge the battery, because in that
Yeah.
case we will have also the second battery, the third battery
Okay.
of 12 volt, just for the service.
Okay.
And check and everything. And of course 2 batteries of 72 volts.
Incredible.
Yes, now it's off and you don't have power.
Okay, perfect.
So
Nice.